Known as one of the world's oldest fabrics, felt has stayed current in the fast-changing world of design with its welcoming aesthetic and soft texture. Felt surfaces look stunning in both dark, dramatic shades and bold, bright colors, and are a staple in modern office and hospitality spaces. Inspired by real felt, Formica brand laminate has created a strong and durable laminate option used on horizontal and vertical surfaces. To infuse the warm and soft hand of felt into high-pressure laminate, Formica has paired our trademark printed designs with a paper finish to marry the soft visual of felt with its signature tactile touch. The process begins with our design team, who inspect a series of felt sheets for natural-looking felt patterns, including imperfections. Once an ideal sample is selected, the felt sheet is digitized using a high-definition scanner. Using proprietary reproduction techniques, our team turns the scanned image into 3 to 4 print layers, or separations. Each print layer is a different color, and when combined, creates a pleasing design that showcases the pattern. Then, full layouts are reviewed by our technical and design team for approval and revisions. Upon approval of the design layout, the digital color work begins. This allows the design team to test different color combinations of the pattern, while also giving direction to the printing team. When the final colors are decided, the inks are mixed, printed onto base paper, and then pressed to create the final laminate with a felt-like finish. See more design creation stories at formica.com.